Stack up for the fear, please.
Yeah, make sure you're at the right debuff spot as well. So you have a fire debuff if you want to be on fire side, shadow debuff if you want to be on shadow.
Yeah, also, if you're on the fire dog, each time your Siphon Corruption, whatever, deals damage, you drop fire on the ground.
4,
So, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, fire debuff. Yes!
Oh, shadow!
No? Okay.
Do you want me to grip you?
It's cool. I thought we were going to start from it's fine.
Oh.
Beware.
I know, Edie's gone now.
We're going to have a rough time at the end of the competition.
Yep. I had a rough time at the start last week.
Yeah, it's because of the debuff.
Group up. Come on, guys, we can stack tighter than that.
Beware.
Why, they're so far away.
To the wall, everyone to the wall, and not in front of Bud.
To the window!
The switch was 10 points.
Get out of the curve.
Stand there now.
Oh, that's what happened.
I stand there because
Alright, let's go back left leg, guys.
Everyone check your debuffs.
Stack up left leg.
Elusive stack.
And then move.
Beware.
Stack up. Then move.
Alton, that.
And then move. Check your debuffs.
Should make purple go up to the entrance, give fire more.
Beware.
Yes.
But then the dotters can't double dot.
Binary.
Who can lead the stack?
Fishy's in trouble. You're gonna need to help him out.
I'm right.
should have rusted it.
Brad came, and it was in the 3-second fear.
Let him ref.
Oh,
I
so
sacrificed my DPS.
Spread out.
Oh.
Beware.
Great. I got that debuff just as I popped in con.
Dude, it's always the worst time, eh?
I know, right? Getting you up hammers.
Probably didn't need to. Thank you.
Why do we have the tank?
Yeah, it's kind of annoying.
what is?
Got flame everywhere because the tank's
Oh,
so
yeah,
fucked.
that's
Because you have to stack it.
Or when you get grips into the tank, you just die.
That overlaps.
Dogs are a bit close.
Love these.
So bad.
Beware.
Yeah, clean.
That's 10 demons down, but countless more await the attention.
Yeah, that overlap is like